This section heading is called URL encoding within the terminal. Now, if you are familiar with what characters are causing problems within the browser or can cause problems within the browser, then what we're going to do in this section is just demonstrate an alternative way of doing your encoding. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to open up a terminal and we'll start up our collection server. So once again, we're going to use that Python module, so python-m, and then it's simple HTTP, and then server. So once this is started, we're just going to minimize the terminal, and then we're going to go inside Lab 7. So inside Lab 7, we're just going to open up the file session staling, and once again, we're just going to copy the script element. So do a Control-A, Control-C, and again, we said it was the plus characters that were causing the problem. So now that we know that this is the characters that are in the script element that can cause the problem, we're just going to simply encode just that single character from within the terminal. So I'm going to close this, and first we'll illustrate that it doesn't work. So we're going to go over to yourbank.com. We'll define our variable once again. So my username equals, and then Control V to append on that script element, hit enter, minimize the browser, go back to the terminal, verify that you're not collecting anything. So now we're going to open up a new terminal. So we're going to go open and then unnamed. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to encode that plus character. So we're going to type php-r, and then inside of here we're going to type the following. So we're going to say echo URL encode, and what we're going to encode is going to be the plus character. So plus, and then because I don't like that what we're trying to view here to be smushed up against the command prompt, I'm going to echo once again. So echo, and then what we're going to echo is a new line, and then we'll terminate this, and then boom. So hit enter, and we can see that the encoding for our plus character is %2b. So now armed with that information, we're going to go back to our browser. So come over to here, and we're simply just going to find those plus characters and replace it with plus %2b. So coming over here, so we've got %2b. We're going to do the same thing with the other plus character right here, and then that's %2b. Hit enter. We can see the unresolved image over here. If we minimize the browser and go back to the terminal, we can see that we're collecting the session ID.